The Redmi Pad 2 has arrived in India. It has a 11-inch LCD screen and it will be sold through me.com, Amazon, Flipkart and partner channels starting from June 24th. It will be available in Wi-Fi only and 4G variants. The latter has dual SIM, dual standby capability and support the following band from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 13, 18, 19, 20, 26, 28, 66. Only the 4G model will have GPS. The base model starts at 14,000 Indian rupees. With select bank cards, you can get a discount of 1,000. The pricing is as such. The 4 120 GB is 14,000. The 6 120 GB is 16,000. The 8 256 GB variant is 18,000. You get the Redmi Pad 2 with a cover which will be 1,300 and a Smart Pen which will be around 4,000. It'll have a LCD screen with a 2K resolution at 16:10 aspect ratio. It'll have a 90 Hz display with 10-bit color. The tablet is powered by Helio G100 processor, which is a 6 nanometer processor. You'll get a micro SD card slot as well. You get headphone jack and quad speaker system with Dolby Atmos. It comes with 9,000 mAh battery with 18-watt charger, though 15-watt charger will be included in the box. It has IP52 rating. It has an aluminum frame that measures 7.3 mm thickness and 510 grams in weight.